Let's take a look at secondary zip codes and how to use them. So basically, if you have a service area, you have your primary zip codes. So let's actually pull up an existing one maybe so it's easier to take a look at it. Okay, so you have your primary zip codes, which are the zip codes that you service. So where can a provider go or a team go without any problems? So you could go ahead and draw your radius, and then it will pull up all those zip codes, or you could go ahead and upload them. Now, if someone is out of this zip code, the system will let you know that they are out of the zip code and you will not be able to book that client. The same, it works the same way if they go ahead and do the same thing on their own while they're booking through the booking form. Now, primary or secondary zip codes, what they allow you to do is basically book a client that is out of this primary zip code. So if you have a, let's say, 20-mile radius around New York or Phoenix, wherever you may be, now if you want to make exceptions, if someone is out of the radius by, let's say, a mile or two, you could draw a larger zip code and basically it'll go ahead and exclude everybody within that 20-mile radius, and it will go ahead and only add zip codes within the 20 to 30-mile range. So only keep that 10-mile radius and exclude the 20-mile radius. So what that basically will do is if you are the admin or if you are the staff member, you could go ahead and see that if someone's booking within that radius, it'll tell you this is a secondary zip code, and now you can decide if you want to allow that customer to book or not. And if a customer is booking for a secondary zip code on their end, it will still give them the same message as they would if they would be out of the service area. So only admin and staff can make an exception for secondary zip code, and it will allow you to book that client for the secondary zip code, which is technically outside of your service area. So then you could go ahead and just save it or update it if you want to add them later on, and it will be able to function that way.